Hey, so this is a great way to make fries at home in your air fryer. So, take some potato, chop them up into fine little pieces, add some olive oil, add some paprika, a little bit of black peppers, a little bit of cumin powder, salt to taste, and a little bit of oregano. You can also try other favorite herbs as well. I have some little bit of ginger powder and garlic powder. Now mix this up really nice and clean. There we go. In the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes.